Hey guys, I got a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan, 4.0, 3.3, 3.8, 4.0, all the same beast, more or less. Car shakes sort of like Misfires, hesitates on the highway or local street. You think it might be a bad coil or coil pack, but it's more likely a crankshaft sensor. Your code, I think it's a 2118 and 339. But if it's hesitate on you, it's probably the crankshaft sensor. This particular one's a 4.0. Here's the crankshaft position sensor. I unloosened the bolt already, and the clip is right there, right at the edge, but right next to the transmission. 110mm bolt. Just unscrew it like I did, and you pop it out, pop the new one in, tighten it back up, put the wire harness back on it. Should be all set.